That you can also tell the labor people, we have worked, and you know we have worked. One reason I also bought it, I know you worked very well in Anambra. Forget, you see, village, where you come from. Backbele envy. You know, this is how it works. Even me here, there are those that are fighting me, backbele. Do you understand what I'm saying? So, some people, because of the level you are now, they envy you in your state. They can come out and say all kind of rubbish. Don't worry, that's how it is. It is your one person that will kill you first. Did you understand me? So don't bother about those things. I've always told people, when you are given an opportunity to serve, use it and showcase what you can do. Stop criticizing somebody who has already left. You have been given the opportunity now. Show it. I'm a professor, professor well. I'm a doctor, doctor well. I'm a lawyer, lawyer well. I'm a mechanic, mechanic well.
Nyesom Wike pepper them, oh yeah, say pepper them. Nyesom Wike pepper them, oh we are say pepper them. Professor, what do you do? Umano pepper them. Tirada, I go trade my business. I say pepper them.
So, even trader, I don't know the type of trade you, whether na spare tire, or supermarket, brewery, you are into trade is trading. I enjoyed you when I came to a house in Anambra. You know, when people see you, they think that you don't like good things. You like good things. I went to your house. I just tell you your house, I look around. I said, this man, you like good to know. Even the food he served us, my brother, there's no be poor man food with that one. Even the drink, I was surprised. I was telling my colleague, so this man, he like this kind of good thing like this. But when you go out outside, he didn't let person with that time. They didn't let it. I hereby invite you to talk to your people and commission the project. Thank you and God bless you.